The second way to use your images is to transfer them to a document. Using this method will export your picture and then insert it into a document. The client information on this screen will be inserted above your diagram. Enter all your client details, including the client name, address, and contact phone number. Then enter the information about the diagram, including the name of the diagram, for instance, front stairs, and if you want, your recommended works. You can also enter the name for the therapist making the recommendations and the date of the report. By default, this is set to the current date. Any of the client details can be excluded by simply unchecking the box next to it. Once you've decided what information to include and have entered the appropriate details, click the Transfer button. Next, enter the name and location for the document and click Save. As with exporting images, you can transfer all your diagrams at once. Each document that is created will have the same client information at the top. The diagram name is locked and will correspond to the name of that canvas in your project. Make sure that each canvas is named appropriately before transferring all your documents. As with exporting all pictures, click Transfer and then select a location and folder name for all the documents. There are a number of settings that can affect how the transfer occurs. Access these settings by clicking the Settings button. The first setting enables you to use a document template for your transfer, rather than the default standard document. This document template is a .dot file that can be customized to suit your department. For example, it may have headers and footers that display your department contact information. Choose a template by selecting this setting and then browse for the .dot file. The second setting is about the Transfer All command. When transferring all your diagrams to documents, it can either create a new document for each diagram, or a single document that inserts each diagram on a new page. Select here whether you want multiple documents or one combined document. The third setting is the current list of therapist names. As you enter names here on this form, they will be saved to the master list. At any point, you can add, remove, or edit this master list of therapist names. These transfer settings can either be accessed from this form or by going to Format, Transfer Settings.